Permanent cure to diabetes, frequent urination, prostate, arthritis, high blood pressure, PI, STD, and poor performance. Tips: millions of people above the age of 40 experience diabetes, prostate, PI, arthritis, weak erection, high blood pressure due to excessive accumulation of toxins, sugar, and foreign antigens. However, it's good to cure this earlier before it leads to death. I am Dr. Kelvin, a health consultant and researcher with iCure Herbal Company. I will give you the permanent cure to that ailment with free medical follow-up. Testimony from our customers. Let's hear from you, Professor Jackson.
I am Professor Johnson. I have been battling with diabetes type 2 and weak erection before I got married. Also, I urinate more than 3 times at night. I was worried over this. I bought a lot of drugs and also visited hospital on several occasions, but no good results until I was introduced to iCure by a friend 2 months ago. Honestly speaking, I was not expectant of results before using this product, but just after 4 days, surprisingly, my blood sugar level reduced to normal. My erection became strong and I've always been active and healthier. I strongly recommend this kit for everyone having issues or challenges with their health.
To get iCure today, promo price is just 25,000 naira wholly instead of 40,000 naira. Send your name, address, phone to 08167145094. iCure product is highly recognized by NAFDAC and other health associations. Call now 08167145094. Thanks for watching. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Call Dr. Kelvin today 08167145094. Enjoy free delivery and pay on delivery.